This 747, Phil, it must have cost TWA a pretty penny.
Ah, they've come a long way. Do you recall what we flew on back in 35?
Yeah, we were pioneers.
In the hardware business, they used to call us the Young Eagles. Let's look around. On this plane, you can choose your own time to eat. Observe.
On the DC-3, we were happy with a ham sandwich.
And 2 tangerines.
I never got a tangerine.
Rudy, a choice of 2.
Come on!
Of 2
get out of the way.
different movies.
Jerry, would you look at that man?
On the old tri-motor, all we had to look at were mailbags.
A touch of the bubbly. Phil, air travel has really made you a bon vivant.
Our new 747. Somehow,